Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of learning how to use our platform Capital Advantage. And today I'm going to take you guys to the shareholding pattern tool. So let's go started. So for today's episode, I'm going to use TCS as the example of the company we're going to analyze. And as we go ahead and type in the ticker, we can see how much the promoters hold, how much foreign institutional investors hold, and how much domestic institutional investors hold, and how much the public holds. We see the combined institutional ownership is 23.24%, and the free float of shares, which in other words is how much the promoters don't hold, is 28.23. And we see the ratio of foreign investors compared to domestic investors in the FII to DII ratio. And we have another ratio, which is retail to institutional ownership. We also have a donut chart of everything we saw above. And we also have the change analysis of how much each category of ownership changes year over year. As we can see, the promoters haven't really changed since the last 2 years. Foreign investors have been selling and domestic investors have been buying. And we can see the public has been around flat. We can also have historical trends. We see the quarterly shareholding pattern for TCS and how the domestic investors and foreign investors have changed ownership over the years. And you can see it's been very constant. And we can see the quarterly comparison too, with the promoters holding most of the ownership and not really selling any of it. And we have the historical data too. So this is what we have today. Please come and check it out. Thank you for watching.